comb and the other. Oh, this is from Ski. I'm gonna put it here. What else do I have here? Some very small little perfume. Some lipsticks. I'm gonna put it there. Oh, this are iPads. And this is with oil. I'm gonna put it there. Some other lipsticks. Some other cute lipsticks by L'Oreal and MAC. Oh god, this is L'Oreal. Okay, this is orange and this one is MAC. Still have it. Okay, I don't know. I need to put it back here. What else? Oh, this is from Primark. So cute. This is so relaxing for my. Oh, I forgot about this cream. Should use it again. What else do I have here? Whatever. Some lipsticks. Other lipsticks. I put them there. Some lip balm, lipstick. Oh, this is a blush, a very old blush. I'm gonna try to use it again. This is some very solid perfume. This lip butter, I should try to use it again. I forgot about it. This is for nails. Nail Expert. Cuticles. So many, but so many perfume samples. God, I'm gonna put them in here, just right here. I don't even know how many they are, but there are quite many. So many. Just in case I forget how this smells. Some other lipsticks again. Other lipsticks. This is from iStore, I think. Yes, I think this is from iStore. Okay, put it back there. This is a hand cream. This is by NYX. Some lipstick. Other samples, perfume samples. I just love them. They're truly amazing. I'm gonna put them there. What else? Oh, this is a Clinique sample. This is some Avon lipstick. What else do I have? This is from Primark. I'm gonna put it here. God, I'm not sure if it's good to give this drawer. These are some other samples. What else do I have here? Well, these are some other samples. Oh, Joe Richmond. God. This is some other lipstick from Raw. What else do I have in here? Some other perfumes. Samples. Little perfumes. There's so many. So cute. What else do I have here? Oh, this is another one. Oh, this is actually by Anastasia. This is another sample. Good God. Soon I'm not gonna have more better. Enough space. Oh, this. I should just clean this. I'm gonna just throw it to garbage. Black opium. How does this smell? I don't even know where it is. Should try to get rid of some things that I don't use. Here. Oh God. This is Good Girl probably the same police here. This one by Bose. I'm not sure if it's still here. No, it's not here. Garbage. It's by Oriflame. What else do I have in here? Oh, these are so cute. Some other samples. Okay. Really must clean everything here. These are so cute. These are from Perugia. Okay, this is Canso in the air. This is a cute mirror. That's a cute mirror. What else do I have in here? I mean, that's all pretty old. This is empty. Really must clean everything here. It smells so cute. This is okay. I must really try to clean the things around here and see what I keep and what not. I should really just try to arrange these things. This is from some Erasmus project. I really must clean this thing. So. So cute. Well, yes, that's all.